Okay, so I'm just doing a quick video to show you what's ahead here. This is an Arduino MKR MEM shield that attaches on the back to, in my case, it's going to be a LoRaWAN shield. This is within the MKR family, Arduino MKR WAN. So I'm going to be soldering onto the MEM shield. So the MEM shield comes with, you can see, the MEM is for the memory card that it provides. However, it turns out that it also has soldering through holes for through-hole soldering. So I just converted my breadboard project with this MEM shield on a breadboard. I took all of these jumper wires and other components off the breadboard and into holes in the shields. However, there's a long way to go here. So not only are these not soldered, obviously, so they're not permanently in, they freely move in and out of the holes to make it not, and they don't have electrical connections because the solder joint gives it electrical connection. Also, as you can see, a lot of these wires are far too long. They're sticking way out. So I'm going to have to resize these wires. And you can see, it's hard to show everything in here, but you can see this is a close-up. What I'm trying to point out here, yeah, right there, you can see in this mess of wires, right, I'm not going to get it, up there, right there, you can see I've had to cut out, see that little empty black thing? That is a female header. That's actually a stacking header that I've been having to use because it's so hard to reach in and put some of these wires in their holes because these female headers are on the side, making it very difficult. You know, you see these female headers going up and down right there on that side, and then they're also on this side, on both sides, so I can get a better view of the, yeah, see, you got those same female header rows right there going all the way up and down. So it's hard to stick your finger in there and get wires in these holes. As you can imagine, it's pretty congested in there. And yes, I do need to access even the holes in the throngs of all those wires. So a big mess. And yes, a soldering iron's also going to have to fit in there. So is this possible? Oh no, a soldering iron does not need to fit in there. A soldering iron is going to solder on the back where, you know, these wires you can see, you know, scattered throughout these holes. Let's see if I can, they're there. Yeah, now you can see all sorts of wires. So all these scattered wires, you're going to fold them out and then solder them to the board and create connections from one wire to another. But yeah, this is, oh man, is this a mess. It's very difficult to do. I don't even know how I'm going to do it, but if there's a will, there's a way. So that's going to be the initial vlog that I'm doing on this. It's just because I bought a new vlogging microphone that I wanted to try out. So that's all. Bye.